Welcome back, Kings and Queens. We're here on Friday, June 24th, with another one of these videos. And the market looks like it has some life back. Looking at Riot, actually right off the bat, is at 520. I was looking at it yesterday when I was doing some of my trading. I think I did buy something. I can't remember. I'll look into it. But I was looking at it yesterday. I was going to buy. It was at like 460. I had it, or 464. I had an order in, but I ended up buying some more UEC instead, just because I had more higher conviction, but higher conviction in UEC in general. But overall, Riot is back up to 518. We'll maximize that real quick. I don't remember if I put any lines on this chart yet, or if we're just not anywhere near if I did. No, it doesn't look like I put any lines on this chart, so maybe, oh, just kidding. I see some lines on the further out. Let's see, where are we here? That's the week. So let's go to the day. Okay, there's our line. So the next target that we're looking at of possibly resistance would be 656 according to my little lines over there. I have $2.53 in this account to spare. I'm glad that I did sell it the other day a little bit because I did get some UEC, but at the same time, I might have made out by holding it just because it came back up. But look at this chart. I mean, that's sliding down completely sideways. Sure, it's showing a little bit of green here, but I haven't really been looking at crypto too much lately, and I didn't have very high conviction that it was going to continue to go up just yet. Like I said, I did have an order, or I don't know if I did say this, but I did have an order in for, I believe it was 443 or 428, something like that. I think it was 440 something. But it did not close or execute because it didn't hit, and then I just wanted to get, I shouldn't say I wanted to get into a trade, but I saw the opportunity in UEC to average down, so I took that opportunity. So I'll go over to that real quick. So if I hear you, buddy. Guma, do some more. Hey, do some more. Guma. Less. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Alright, that's probably loud. Less. I've been letting him exercise his toddler voice lately, so it might be a little loud, but we'll get through it. Yeah, we hear you, buddy. Okay, so looking at UEC, it's at 333 right now, but you can see I averaged down to 350 and whatever pieces of a penny. My average before was, I believe, 374. So I'm glad that I did do that. It did bring me back up a little bit. But overall, like I said, I probably would have made out if I just held Riot as far as what I made in just this, immediate short term. Maybe not, because I would have made out more with Riot just for the immediate short term, as far as like just the day. Meh. Good boy. And let's see. Let's open up that chart that I had opened yesterday. We'll see where my lowest, whatever you want to call them, were. Okay, so Ford I have at 1159, and it was at 1130 something the other day, but I figured it was going to go up. It looks like it was going up. The UEC, or the Riot curve, is happening basically right now. The Ford curve happened a little bit before I was looking at it the other day, so I was okay with leaving that. Let's see, I don't have Riot anymore, so I can remove that. Alright, and the others are pretty far away from where I'm putting my lowest, whatever you want to call it, so that wasn't right. Let's look over here. UEC over here. I am still down. I don't remember what I got here. 336. And my average price is 841 in space. Let's see if there's any news on here in the last couple of days. For the downslide, defense, Wells Fargo, sharp downslide in Virgin Galactic. States, New Delta spacecraft continue to fund operations without another capital raise. Yeah, okay. Alright, money stuff. I'll look into that a little bit later. I'm not really worried about reading the news right now. But that wouldn't surprise me. I mean, you know, it's easy to burn through money, I guess. Anyway, let's see what else is going on. I don't want to get rid of Ford. I do want to pick up some Ride. That's coming up pretty quick, though. The volume's not showing it's there right now like it was the other day. Maybe that'll come a little bit later on. Alright, let me keep looking and look a little bit closer. Yeah, okay. It looks like it's coming back to life. Maybe a bad trade in hindsight, but you know, hindsight is 2020. But at the same time, UEC, still uranium, still something I'm very highly convicted on. I won't say I'm not convicted on crypto, but I'm not convicted on crypto that trade as securities. At all. So, anyway, that being said, alright. I want to go over just a couple of definitions real quick. The ones I want to go over today, they're going to be very basic. I'm going to keep it basic just until I get more of these definitions out there, and then we'll get more into it. And I'll do longer videos, edited videos coming up soon as well. But the most simple thing that I want to go over today, we'll use UEC as the example, but it's just the stock symbol. So the stock symbol is right here. You also hear it called the ticker symbol too. UEC, it's an abbreviation sometimes, but basically it's just a sum of 1 to 3, maybe 4 letters of indicating what company it is. So this is Uranium Energy Corporation, and I forget what that, Commerce I think it is, but don't quote me on that. But it's abbreviated UEC. They're not always going to be that perfect. If you look at AT&T, it's just a T. If you look at Tesla, it's like sort of the full name. So you can see they're going to be a little bit different for each one. Starbucks is S-Bucks with an X, so it could be a little bit different. But that is what a stock symbol or ticker symbol is. The next thing I wanted to say was order. I did mention... I need to remember that if I'm going to be clipping these out, I have to start them like I'm in an actual, video or whatever. So anyway, these are little segments that I'm doing for shorter videos. I am pretty much just doing these lives with myself right now, so it's just me talking to me. So this is basically practice, but that's okay. But anyway, I'm going to be clipping my shorts from these. So here we go. So an order is when you're either buying or selling a certain amount of a stock. I know I'm looking away at the same time, so I'm going to redo that. So an order is when you're buying or selling a stock. So if I wanted to put an order in here, I could just go click this right here. It gives me 100 at whatever the number I put in, so 352, and I could hit send. But if I want to take less or more, I could edit it also. But the order is basically me just saying, hey, I want to buy some of this, or hey, I want to sell some of this because I have some. Which brings me into the next one, execution. Execution is when you're buying or selling something and it gets completed. So you can see right here how there's 160,687 orders here. Now this is by a magnitude of I think 1,000, so move that comma over another 3 places. But that's how many people are looking to get in at 332. If those people do get in, then the order has executed. It has gone through. That was pretty much it for the definitions today. So anyway, like I said, I did buy some UEC yesterday, brought my average down about 25 cents. And the further I continue with these, we're going to go into a little bit more. I'm not going to go over crypto today. I'm going to keep this one pretty short. I do have a good amount to do today. And to be honest, I like the way the market is looking. I don't really want to sell anything. I don't have any money that I want to buy. I don't want to, move anything around. So I'm going to leave it as is. And on that note, watch some more of my videos. I'm out. I'm not ready to actually hit end, so give me a second as I actually go through to end the video. Peace.